a group of U.S. Army Rangers assigned to the 5th Ranger Training Battalion jump out of the helicopter. Black Hawk UH-60 assigned to Charlie Company. 106th Aviation Detachment, Georgia National Guard. Parachute MC-6 into Stringer Drop Zone, Dahlonega, Go, July 14, 2023. These Rangers jump to stay in jump status and continue to become proficient paratroopers. U.S. Army personnel who have served in any unit bearing the official title of Ranger. The term is commonly used to include Ranger School graduates. Ranger has been used, officially and unofficially, in North America since the 17th century. During the French and Indian War in the 18th century, the 75th Ranger Regiment is an elite airborne light infantry combat formation within the Special Operations Command. Ranger Training Brigade RTB, headquartered in Fort Moore, is an organization under command, United States Army Training and Doctrine Tradak, and separate from the 75th Ranger Regiment. It has operated in various forms since World War II.